Hey, what's going on, y'all? Just making it to the beach. The wind's coming out of the west. I think it's gonna be pretty good conditions. Hopefully the pompano by him. We're gonna walk out there and get set up and see what happens. I'm at my lucky spot. Hopefully I catch a few fish. Hopefully we catch a few fish, Bullet. Get the rod holder set, rods out, get baited. Gonna use straight sand fleas. We got one. It's a nice one too. No. Gotta make a wind barrier. I didn't realize this wind was gonna be blowing like this. Every time I come out here, I'm a terrible weatherman. But got my other 2 poles over there. Bullet's taking a nap, and it was like the fishing kind of slowed down. Check the rods again. I'm gonna keep at it because they've been biting. Come on, big pompano! Just gotta set the hook on him or something. I think I finally got him. Same rod, dude. Same freaking rod. It's the craziest thing. I don't know what it is. It's a pompano. What in the world? So I want to horse it, whatever it is. Come on. It is a pompano. That is the craziest thing in the world, dude. I think it's been the same one the whole time. I wonder why they're right there, the same rod. I don't get it. I thought there was crabs out there. Out there robbing my bait. What's he doing? Maybe. Yeah, he's on there, We got one. No? Yeah, maybe. Doesn't feel like a fish. Yeah. Yeah, no. Crab? That's not a fish. What the hell's going on here? Yeah, there's something on there. Oh. It's a whiting. Big whiting. It's all on the same rod. Look at that whiting, it's huge. That is a freaking big whiting. understand why I'm catching them all on the same rod though. Look at that, buddy. We might have one right here. Unbelievable. Let's see. Someone was nibbling on it. Not no mo. Oh, there he is. There he is. We got him. We got something. They came back for it. Come on, Pompano! Oh yeah, that's something nice. What's that, buddy? It's a whiting! Get him, boy! Sweet. So 2 whiting, 2 pompano. Another nice freaking whiting. Some people like whiting better than pompano. Look at that, look, look. He inhaled it. Almost fell in hate. Look at that, boy! Look at that! What is that? Huh? I think I'm gonna wrap it up because it's cloudy, cold, windy. It's getting windier. Man, I missed like 3 or 4 big pompano, I'm pretty sure. It's been a good day. It's just they're biting. I didn't realize the wind was gonna be this crazy. Look at that wet stinking puppy. We're in another spot. Next grill. She's seen better days. Adapter. It's gonna be very, very close. I think there's a little bit left in there. Always have a lighter somewhere. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see flame. Pompano. Should make a nice meal. And it's so easy because all you gotta do is gut it, put some slits in it, we're good to go. While the grill's heating up, I'm gonna scale. There's no scales. I'm gonna gut this sucker out. So, take your knife, go right down there. And pull their guts out. I'll go all the way up their throat. Just pull all the gills out, whatnot. Come on. Without cutting my finger off. The video's short as I can. There we go. It's coming out. Everything's coming out. What's in it like this? That's gonna be delicious. I'm so hungry. Look at that. Slit right here. Pretty warm. Sucker on there. It's on high. Got some of this bell pepper. Not being super fancy, just throw it on there. And cut. Good for you. Skewer. There. Kabam. It's getting pretty hot. Oh, yeah. Look at this balance freaking trick. Pretty sure it's done. If it's not, then... Oh yeah, that's done, dude. Beautiful. You can eat with the skin on. Cheers, folks. Damn. That's so good. Here, bullet. Over here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the Will Gore Outdoors YouTube channel where I have a bunch of videos just like this. Don't forget to click subscribe so you can see new videos that I post. And the next time you do see me, we will go outdoors. Hit that bell button to get notified, and thanks for watching.